Whoop, ahoy, ahoy, ahoy. Welcome to Fang Session channel, guys. For this clip, recorded audio na lang to, no? So, makikita nyo, meron tayong Parabutus villosus orangimorph. Pinapakain natin siya, guys, ng Madagascar hissing cockroach. So, itong feeding clip na to, actually, second day na. No? Second day na niya. Kahapon natin siya pinakain. Trinay na po kainin. And ngayon, second day, half ng buong feeders pa lang yung nakakain niya. Pero grabe, solid ang feeding clip na to. So, yun guys. Sana ma-enjoy nyo, no? Na nakaka-amaze talaga itong ating mga Parabutus villosus na very strong feeding response. Very aggressive. So, malalaki yung mga sizes nila. So, grabe. Isa sa mga magandang piece ng collection. Maging collection nyo rin as a scorpion keeper. Alright. So, enjoy the video, guys. So yun, if you like the video, please do like and share, subscribe. Happy keeping, guys. Fang Session signing out.